Now, this has been a long time coming. Costco Cold Brew Colombian coffee. This is a 12 pack, $14 for a 12 pack at your regular warehouse. It's 1 gallon of coffee. Check that out. Is that a Jaguar? All right. Caffeine content per can. Caffeine content per can, 225 milligrams, equivalent to about 2 cups of coffee, or if you like your coffee like I do, like a sailor, it's about 1 cup of my coffee. This is a cold brew. These cans are 11 ounces. They're tall boys. Everybody loves tall boys, especially if you're a hipster. Nice, beautiful can. It's almost like a stainless steel. You can see that. Ooh, look at the eyes. "15 calories in a can. I'm not really sure where that comes from, but coffee's got a little bit of calories. Nothing really else. Ingredients. Oh, we got all these weird ingredients. Cold brew coffee extract and water. No preservatives, not a bunch of junk. A little bit of potassium, 4%. Colombian. I like these very, very much. This is my favorite cold brew. It's a great deal. If you go to Whole Foods and buy a gallon of cold brew, they'll probably charge you $600 or something crazy. But not at Costco. Not at Costco. They don't stand for that type of behavior over there. So I'm gonna do a little latte at home latte, iced latte. I've got a nice cup here. You need a nice cup. You can't just fiddle around with some little piddly little cup. You gotta have a good solid cup. Straw, kind of controversial nowadays to use a straw, but I like straws. So I've also got this, I got this at Costco. This is oat, organic, non-dairy beverage made with super tasty rolled oats. Check this out, organic. Let's see what you got in there. 120 calories per serving, 1 cup. Tiny bit of fat. A little bit of sugar. A little bit of protein, 3 grams. It's got some vitamins. Vitamin B12. Can't get enough B12. Riboflavin. Everybody loves riboflavin. Not a whole lot of weird stuff in there. 1 quart. These come in, I think, a 6-pack. This is probably one of the better milk substitutes out there. I eat it with cereal. It won't turn you into a soy boy. And the cool thing is, it doesn't have all that weird shield. You just open it like that, and this opens. And this was brand new. I don't have to go digging in there and get my power tools out. A lot of advantages to this oat milk. So, oat milk, cold brew coffee. Let's see what this coffee looks like. Smells great. Really nice, rich color. I almost notice a chocolatey taste to this cold brew. Some of them have their own flavor profiles, but this one's got a little fruitiness to it and a little bit of a chocolate taste, but doesn't have that in there. That's just from the good quality beans and roast. Again, Colombian. So about $1 for the can of cold brew. That was probably 50 cents worth of oat milk, maybe less. You're looking at $1.50 for a homemade latte. That's going to knock your socks off. Now I got a coffee shop 6 stores down from me. This is probably $5 at the coffee shop. So let's do some quick math. I know if you're out with your friends or your girl or wherever, whatever you're doing, you might want to stop for a nice hot cup of joe with your people. But if you're doing this every day, some people do it twice a day, $5 7 days in a week, $35 times 4. You're looking at $140 a month times 12. 140 times 12.
1,680.
That's like $1,400 a year times 10 years, $14,000. And I don't know about you, I don't want to be spending $14,000 over the next 10 years on coffee. I'd rather spend my $14,000 on steak strips or anything else. I'm gonna taste this, and you don't have to be clairvoyant to know that this is gonna be a tasty little beverage. So a couple different things you could do here. You can put some honey. If you like the sweetener, you could buy the sweeteners. Let me get a skinny vanilla. Whatever it is that you want to throw in there. Pickle juice. Some people, pickle juice is going around right now. That's nice. Cold brew's perfect. It's got this little oaty flavor. It's not too creamy. For those of you that would like cream, a creamier taste, there are some different oat beverages, oat milk, that are sold. The Khalifa Farms one is really good too. This one's perfect for me. Like I said, I eat it with cereal. I haven't tried it with oatmeal. You know, oat milk and oatmeal. But again, great value in these. I buy them by the 2-pack. Sometimes these go on sale. I've seen them, but maybe that was just to get people excited about them. But it was $10 for a 12-pack, about $3 off. Beautiful for a little lovely afternoon pep. Please like and subscribe if you like my reviews. I'll try to keep posting as much as I can, but I do appreciate the support.